Today, I'll show you how to add a vignette effect to your clips. This effect is perfect if you want to create a cinematic focus on the center of your video. First, select your clip on the timeline, then tap on filters at the bottom. From here, go into adjust. Now, scroll until you find the vignette option. This is where you control the effect. If you drag the slider to the right, you'll get a black vignette which darkens the edges and pulls the viewer's attention to the middle. If you drag the slider to the left, you'll get a white vignette which brightens the edges for a softer look. Play around with the slider until the vignette fits the mood of your video. And that's it. You've added a vignette effect in VN Video Editor. Use this to give your edits a professional and dramatic touch. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more VN editing tips.